Friends, welcome back. On today's video, I am going to do a little decoration for Christmas on my coffee table. And this is day 3. So I thank y'all for watching and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hi friends, welcome back. On today's video, I am going to show you how I decorate my coffee table. And this is how I flock my greenery. And this has from last year, a bottle of snow, spray snow. And this is where I do it. I know they do it different ways and I've seen people use paint. But if you use this method, make sure you do it within 24 hours. You know, it's have to sit overnight and dry. But this works for me. So if I want to change it, I'm good to go. All I have to do is just wash it off or rinse it off. And this, guys, is just my usual routine to clean my table off. And I'm using my black tray. And the wreath fits perfectly. I got these small wreaths from Michael's last year on the end of Christmas sale. So, guys, to get some good stuff, if you don't need it right away, don't miss them end of Christmas sales. And you will see me using 3 glass crystal candles. And I got these from the thrift store for $3.99. And they are real heavy, guys. And I'll add my candles on each one of these. And I just wanted to keep it kind of, you know, neutral with some white pretty colors. So guys, tell me what you think about this look. Just something simple, neutral. I'm not trying to use too much strong colors. You know, I like my little red here and there, but I'm trying to cut back from the strong red color during Christmas. I hope that everyone is having a blessed, prosperous day and enjoying Christmas, or Christmas to be anyway. These little ornaments are little beautiful white crystal glam ornaments I found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to add these around on the wreath to give a little glam. I also will be adding my little decor truck with some lamb's ear and a candle inside, carrying some little green Christmas trees. I thank you so much, guys, for taking this journey with me on these 12 days. I hope to see y'all on the next day. Have a blessed and prosperous day from Penny, and know that God loves you. Bye-bye.